march in Kigumo. The ODM leaders, allies in the region, and those who accompanied him promised to sell him to the region to ensure he gets the region support come 2022.
We can pray for Baba from Kigumo. He can hit the ground all the way to Mount Kenya. Na tuombe kura na tutampatia. So, kama mweha, you can usher in Baba so that we can pray for him. Wachungaji karibuni. After Baba, we pray for Baba, the rest of the program. Betty will all come out to give us the rest of the program. Wachungaji karibuni.
You are very privileged people from Kigumo. We have amongst us a guest that is so honorable. And I'm very pleased because the bishop has helped us describe him very ably. Thank you, Bishop, for describing appropriately the man who is His Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Your Excellency, the people of Kigumo know me for being honest. Ni ukweli ama ni uongo? Ni kweli ama ni uongo? Bishop, I don't give excuses like those that give excuses, because the Right Honorable knows wakati walishikana mkono na His Excellency, our President, I had even met him somewhere. He may have even thought I was aware. And I remember Junet asking me and smiling, I didn't even know you were talking with His Excellency. But I came and introduced myself to you, Excellency. And we are very proud of you. Your record of development and fighting for democratic space in this country is written in bold and golden letters, and they will never be forgotten. The other day, we were talking to our party leader, and he mentioned that the good things you do will never be forgotten. I remember him mentioning our Honorable Kenneth Matiba, our Honorable Rubia. Great Kenyans that stood for the truth and stood for the others. They did not put their self. They were not self-centered. They put other centers. They put the centers of other people, the community, the country first. That is what, Baba, you have done. And when I say this, I have no apologies, because that's the truth. We are greatly honored to be with you today. I'm greatly honored to host you a second time. I came with you when we were signing the BBI. I hosted you at the market. We came with you from Nairobi, met our people here. They love you. We have a bigger notice. You will see jeshi yote Kenya itakuwa wapi? Hapa na wewe. So tuwakushukuru sana, and I want to just end there. And
mwingine ni Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Mimi nataka niseme mambo mawili peke yake hapa mlimani. Unajua, nimeona watu wakiongea na machungu sana. Kama mliona jana kule Nakuru, watu wanaongea na machungu asif kuna kitu ambacho kitapotea kama hawezi chukua uongozi, kwamba you are playing with fire. That's what they are saying. Simliona? You are playing with fire. Kama mnaweza tisha wa Kenya, Uhuru hajaondoka ofisini, tu assume kwamba Uhuru ameenda, ni moto gani mnataka kutuonyesha?